Good afternoon, fellow patriots and defenders of democracy. Welcome to the madness. My name is Beverton. We're here. Typically, we're working on the E30. However, we're going to be working on the E30. But before we even get to that, well, maybe not even in this video. However, I'm here in spite of the madness going on in the country at the moment. I would like to say one should be a little bit wary of buying things from corporations unless you're 100% certain your item's going to get delivered. Case in point at the moment, AccuAir, is it AccuAir? AccuAir filed for bankruptcy and essentially will not be sending anybody anything they ordered, and you can't really get in contact with the ownership or whatever it is that they have going on. You have a couple of people that were in a couple of groups that were complaining because they had a lot of money that they sent to the company, and then the company stopped answering the phone. Now, given the uncertainty of when a lot of people will be going back to work, do not frivolously part ways with your money. It's money's hard to come by, so on and so forth, and within this time period, you need to be a little bit wary of non-profits or corporations in essence, because the number one thing with any corporation is to maximize profit. Point blank, period. The corporation can tell you anything you'd like to hear, but the number one goal of the company is to maximize profit. You'd be surprised, even non-profit embark or share in this theory. Now, why we're here today. I was given a link by old mechanic buddy that I served in the military with. And he said, hey, this is a program that they have going on that I think you qualify for. And the program essentially sends out a toolbox that they say would be worth about $600 to veterans who either earned a Purple Heart or some level of something else. So I'm like, okay, cool. So I filled it out. And these people sent me a toolbox. So I thought I'd have like a nice little mobile kit so that, when we're out on our wonderful little adventures, we'd have a generic toolbox, typical things. Now, out of this toolbox, or this package that came in a wonderful box with a host of things on it, hold on, and it has this wonderful sticker on it for the person that's dropping it here, so I guess they can, do whatever they do. It's a little bit more marketing within the marketing. I'm going to share with you what is in this box, and from this, I would like you to assess what you think. So, alright, because I'm not trying to go in on the company, I'm not really trying to put the company's sticker or names on here, and I don't feel like scraping them off the box. So I'm gonna share with you what's in this box. So there's what is this? It looks like something from Harbor Freight, but it's like, all right, cool, tools work. There's that. There's more of these. There's a saw blade. There's an impact bolt. I don't know what this is. There's this. This is here. This is a 1/4 inch. This is a 1/4 inch ratchet set. I don't see the 10 millimeter. Alright, let's not get into that. There's a hammer. There's glue. Is this chalk or glue? Alright, whatever that is. There is a stab somebody screwdriver. There's a bunch of 3M, not 3M, there's a bunch of blades. It's a bunch of blades. There is a 1-inch wrench. I don't know what this is. What is this? This looks like a chisel. Yeah, it's a big ass chisel. Alright. There's things to put on a gripping pads? Okay. Whatever. Gripping pads. There's 2 jigsaw blades. This looks like a woodwork chisel. Here is another tape. This is a pry. What is this? It's like a pry bar or something used to remove nails. It's like the. Yes, I know. I should know the name of these things. What is this? Replacement blade for. I don't know. It's a replacement blade for something. There's a level. Are these punches? What are these? Nail set. Alright. Clamp. Oh. So there is a 5/8 gearhead ratcheting wrench. And what is this? This is a long ass bit. Is this for have to be for cement or something. This is a bit. Hey, there's another 5/8 wrench. There are these 2. All right. For if you're gonna go painting. What the fuck? You know, I'm not gonna say anything. This is a fidget spinner. And there is 1 AAA battery. Wait, this is not all of it. I threw some of the crap in the box. So, I don't know, all this was in here. I'm coming. Let me get the other one. And there's a blade here. There's a blade here for. Oh, we're gonna put this on the ground a little bit more so we all can see what's going on a little bit more in depth. It's a big ass vice grip. There's some snips. Oh, when one of the blades from earlier, this was what the blade was for. There's vice grips. There's a brush. This looks like insulation for a pipe. There's more of this. It's another brush. This is Band-Aid. This is a 9mm, almost 10. So close. So close. Clamp. Oh. This is a brush. There's another one of these. Bit. Another drill bit. Another drill bit. Extenders. Wait. There's fancy band-aids here. There, it looks like a level, the glass replacement. Is this the writing on stuffed chalk? There's this, whatever this is. It's a clamp. Another one. There is screwdriver, pliers, another one of these, Allen set, another clamp, another drill bit, there's some gloves, drill bit, I don't know what this tape is used for, but tape, works, mini flashlight, I guess I can throw it in the box, stop throwing some of this on the ground, these brushes, bigger pliers, this is something. Sanding thing. There are band-aids for it looks like something is on there. There's animal print on it to clean things. Another one of these. You're gonna be lifting up wood. There's this stuff. Another balance. It's just like a level thing. Yep, pencil. There is more insulator in. There's another one of these. Packing tape. What do you know what? Never mind. You could use this for Christmas shipping of things. Something for drywall. It looks like the thing you put over the thing to patch it. More of this stuff. Insulation for pipe, it seems. More band-aids. Wonder Bar. Oh, it's probably the other one that doesn't have the thing on it. And I'll take all things with your name off of it. Extension. Little, like, mini bits for more removable crap. Pencil. It's like a couple of pencils. And alright, just make sure I'm not doing any tricks here. This is the box. Yep, almost. More of your title things in here. So, yeah. So I'll put this back in here. That's the box. So yeah, quick question. What would you give the assessment of the contents of the box? It was a toolbox sent to you. What would you make of this box? And that's it. That'll be it for today. That'll be it. I'll be back. Vehicle content. Promise you.